Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enter BIOS or UEFI in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. Click on Settings from the Start menu. You can also access settings by using the shortcut keys, Windows key plus I. From the Settings window, click on System. Then, click on Recovery. Now, click on Restart Now under Advanced Startup. The computer will reboot to a special menu called the Windows Recovery Environment, also known as Advanced Startup. From Advanced Startup, click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on Advanced Options. Next, click on UEFI Firmware Settings. If you don't see this option, press the back icon twice. Then, select Turn off your PC. After turning it off, turn it back on again. As the computer is starting, tap the BIOS key to access the setup. Our video on how to enter BIOS or UEFI by manufacturer might help you. The link is in the description below. Finally, click on Restart. Your system will restart and take you to the BIOS or UEFI setup. Method 2. Press and hold the Shift key, then restart the computer. The computer will reboot to a special menu. Now, click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on Advanced Options. Next, click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Finally, click on Restart. Your system will restart and take you to the BIOS or UEFI setup. Method 3. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type shutdown/R/FW and press Enter. The computer will automatically restart into the BIOS in less than a minute. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.